The Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus is officially gearing up for launch in China on August 21st, 2025, and excitement is already building as Xiaomi confirms a chipset and shares key camera details of this powerful mid-range device, making it clear that the Note series continues to blur the line between affordability and flagship-grade performance. And now we finally know that the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus will be powered by Qualcomm's brand new Snapdragon 7's Gen 4 processor, a chipset that promises a solid jump in performance over its predecessor, with Qualcomm claiming around 7% overall improvement compared to the Snapdragon 7's Gen 3, ensuring smoother multitasking, faster app launches, and better gaming stability. And to make sure the phone maintains peak performance even under heavy workloads, Xiaomi has upgraded the cooling system significantly with a massive 2002 mm Superscript 2 cooling area that offers 3 times higher thermal conductivity than the previous generation, keeping temperatures in check during gaming marathons or long video sessions, showing how Xiaomi is serious about performance consistency. But beyond raw power, the cameras are where things get even more exciting, because Xiaomi has confirmed that the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus will feature the Light Hunter 800 sensor as its primary camera, the same highly capable sensor used in the Indian version of its predecessor, known for delivering great low-light results, sharpness, and balanced colors. And now it's paired with a 2.5x telephoto lens that supports 5 focal lengths, giving users more flexibility for portrait shots and distant objects, while a third rear camera, expected to be an ultrawide sensor, adds versatility to cover all kinds of shooting scenarios. And to back up the camera claims, Xiaomi has even shared some official sample photos taken with the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus, teasing impressive clarity and dynamic range, sparking even more anticipation among fans. And when it comes to display, this phone doesn't disappoint either, offering a stunning 1.5K panel with a jaw-dropping 3,200 nits peak brightness, making it one of the brightest displays in its class, ensuring excellent outdoor visibility even under direct sunlight and richer HDR performance for streaming and gaming. But perhaps the most jaw-dropping spec revealed so far is a battery, because Xiaomi has confirmed that the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus will pack a huge 7,000 mAh battery, a capacity rarely seen in this price range, and it's paired with 90W fast charging support, meaning users will not only get multi-day battery life, but also incredibly fast top-ups when needed, which would be a game changer for travelers, gamers, and heavy users. And the durability factor also sets this device apart, because Xiaomi has announced multiple IP ratings, including IP69 and IP69K, making the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus one of the toughest smartphones in its category, with resistance against dust, water, and even high-pressure sprays, ensuring peace of mind in challenging environments. And this combination of powerful internals, versatile cameras, massive battery, and rugged durability makes the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus one of the most promising mid-range devices of 2025, positioned to rival even some premium flagships at a much lower price point. But for now, Xiaomi is keeping final details like exact pricing and global availability under wraps until the August 21st launch event. And given Xiaomi's strategy in previous years, it's possible that the Note 15 Pro Plus may initially launch in China before making its way to international markets, though fans worldwide are already hoping it won't remain exclusive. And with the Note series already popular for delivering excellent value, the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus could become one of Xiaomi's most successful launches yet. And while we'll have to wait for the official unveiling to get the full picture, what we know already paints a compelling story of a phone that combines Snapdragon 7's Gen 4 power, advanced cooling, the trusted Light Hunter 800 main sensor, versatile zoom and ultra-wide options, a record-breaking 7,000 mAh battery with 90W fast charging, an ultra-bright 1.5K display, and rugged durability with IP69 and IP69K protection, making it an all-rounder that redefines what mid-range smartphones are capable of. And with competition heating up in 2025 with rivals like Samsung, Realme, and OnePlus also pushing aggressive specs in this category, Xiaomi seems determined to stay ahead of the game by packing the Note 15 Pro Plus with everything users could ask for. And that is why this launch is being watched so closely by tech fans and reviewers around the world, because this device may not just be another Note. It could be the Note that sets new benchmarks for mid-range performance and endurance. So mark your calendars for August 21st, 2025, because that's when all details, including pricing and availability, will finally be revealed, and we'll be covering every new update right here on TechVerse.